How to create with responsive behaviors in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, you can just click on any element that you want to actually create with. So click on that element. So for this case, we have the repeater. Now from this, just right click. And in here, just make sure to use or open the inspector item. Open the inspector item, and then from in there you can head over and then create responsive actions. So by responsive actions, we're talking about the default sizes of it when it's added from the elements tab. So additionally, you can also manually edit that according to your liking. You can just manually adjust that, and it should be able to make things easier that way. However, it's kind of tedious if you need to do it one by one. So take that in mind when trying to use the actual responsive tool of the Wix. So that's how you create with responsive behaviors in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.